Hello my friend, today I'm going to teach you how to make money online with Clickbank and affiliate offers. Okay, stay tuned. So, what is Clickbank and what are the affiliate offers and how much money I can make, you might ask? Well, I'm gonna answer that all. Okay, an affiliate offer in Clickbank is just a digital product, usually an ebook or a software or just a video course. For example, a learning course that people can buy and learn something useful. For example, how to cook or how to lose weight or whatever, how to build houses, whatever. In Clickbank there are thousands of products to sell in every niche you can imagine. So there is lots of money to make. And if you start promoting just few products or many products, you get your own unique affiliate link that you can share and promote. And if somebody clicks on these affiliate links, you can earn commission. So, how much money I can make, you ask? Well, it depends on you. You can make as little as $5 per day, as much as $50 or $500 per day, or even $5,000 per day. Yes, me personally, I have made the maximum I have made is around $3,000 per day. So it was really amazing times in my life. So it all depends on you, how much money you make in Clickbank. What you put out, you get back. That's how life goes. But the work that you put in doesn't have to be hard work or just like a hard effort. You can just be playful, just like me. You can just play and make money, you know? You find your own way anyway. Alright, let's start from the beginning. Step number 1. Go to Clickbank and create your account, obviously. Step number 2. Go to the Clickbank marketplace and find a good selling product to promote. And here is a tip for you. It is always the best to choose the product or the subject that you are into in your life. For example, if you like gardening, or if you like business, or if you like spirituality and self-help, whatever you like, whatever you do in your life, you should always choose that niche or choose that subject. So it is much easier to promote things that you are into. And if you're starting out, it is always best to choose the products that have the highest gravity. The gravity means that those products are selling really, really well. So make sure you select the products to promote that have at least about 30 gravity, above 30. That's a good place to start. Step number 3. Now, after you have selected the offer and you are ready to start to promote the offer, just click the promote button and get your affiliate link, your unique affiliate link. In Clickbank, it is called a hop link. And in here, you can also type in your tracking ID. That means you can separate the traffic sources from where your traffic or the clicks came from. And make sure you save this affiliate link or hop link into your notes so you can use it later. And as you can see, this link is really ugly. You know, this link is really, it is not looking very good, you know. Usually when I copy those links, after that I go to a service called link shorteners like Bitly or Cutly or whatever, or Oli, and just make those hop links shorter. That's it. Step number 4. Now that you have your unique affiliate link and your offer, So how do you get sales? Of course, you need lots of eyeballs. You need lots of eyeballs and clicks to your link, to your offer. So you can make sales and you can earn some commission. So where do you get eyeballs? Where do you get eyeballs to your offer? You need traffic, like they say. The way to get traffic, there are many ways. There are hundreds of ways to get traffic to your Clickbank offer or any offer you are offering. If you are just starting out and you are just a beginner and you don't have money to advertise these offers, you can start with free traffic. And where do you get free traffic? Well, from social media, of course. The social media is the biggest source of traffic nowadays. For example, you can create a Facebook page, like a Facebook fan page, or a Facebook group, or a Pinterest page, or an Instagram profile around that subject, around that niche that you are promoting. Easy as that, and build those profiles up, get some followers, start some interaction in groups, start posting in groups. Do not spam, because people don't like spam, you know. Don't spam. Just be natural and be normal, just in the flow, you know. And after you created those profiles like Facebook fan page, Facebook group, for example, Instagram profile, Pinterest, really good. Pinterest is a really good traffic source to build up your followings, you know. After you have made that, you will get some followers. How do you get some followers? You start posting. You start posting related stuff, related photos and videos about your subject matter, and you will get some eyeballs. You will start to getting some eyeballs. At the beginning, you get some few eyeballs, and then you get some more eyeballs. Then you get some clicks, and then you start getting some sales. Easy peasy. Or another way to get traffic is to create a blog. Just a simple free blog using a free blogging platforms, and I can name all those platforms below this video. You can click on those links, and you can choose your favorite platform to start making a free blog, you know. And you just start creating a simple blog posts and writing about your favorite subject that you are promoting. And in the blog posts, you start to recommend those products that you are promoting in Clickbank and make it all natural, you know. Or you can make a YouTube channel around your niche or around the product that you're promoting in Clickbank. And you don't have to make videos if you are shy or you don't want to show your face. There are many ways to make YouTube videos and still get lots of views and lots of traffic and lots of sales. For example, if you don't want to show your face or you don't want to speak in front of camera like me, you can make videos like a slideshows, like using many images and putting some music on the video. It's like just a slideshow with music and talking around your subject matter, your niche, you know. For example, if you make a weight loss, you are promoting weight loss offer in Clickbank, you can just make a YouTube video with a slideshow, you know, just like a PowerPoint, like a presentation, like just one image, and you are talking about how to lose weight, blah blah blah, what to eat. Just make it like a visual, you know, like write down some useful tips, how to lose weight, whatever, and put some music on it, and that's it. That's how you get a YouTube video. It doesn't have to be a video. It can be just a slideshow, or you can use you can buy articles around weight loss, or you just write your own weight loss tips. For example, if you use a weight loss offer, and turn that text into a voice. Just use some free text to speech program in the Google. You can find it, I'm sure, and turn your texts or blog posts, for example, into an audio file and use that audio file in your YouTube videos and put some pictures on the background, and voila, you have a video, informational video that is useful for others, and you can use affiliate links below those YouTube videos, and that's how you make money. So, making money online or building an online business, it will take some time, it will take some learning, it will take some mistakes, but there are no mistakes in life. Everything is just learning and just growing and growing, you know. Just keep on going and keep on growing. But the main thing is you have to start. You have to start. And when you ask, I will tell you, you have to start yesterday. Or today is fine enough. Or now. Just start now. Just take some action right now and think later, okay? And if you want to learn more about how to make money with Clickbank and all about Clickbank and how to make money online, then click the link below this video and start your money-making journey to becoming a zillionaire. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye, my friend. Bye-bye. I forgot one thing. You are awesome.